In today's video, I'll show you how to install the main menu skip mod in GTA 5 Enhanced to bypass the startup screens and load directly into the game faster. Check my video description for these two mods download link. Right click on Open RPF and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Stuff here and drop this Open RPF.asi inside of a game folder. Once done, go back, open this main menu skip for GTA. Open the folder again. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name it as mods, small letter and press enter. Now open update. Copy this update.rpf. Open mods, right click and select new and select folder. Name this folder update and press enter. Open the update. Paste the update.rpf. Once this done, open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5 Enhanced. Once installed done, go to mods, update, update.rpf, go to x64, data, UI, select edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop this landing page deck. Once you done this, launch the game. I will show you guys the intro. And as you can see, it directly enters to story mode. You doesn't need to click any buttons. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to the bell icon, subscribe. Thank you.